Number 1. Empathize, but don't add on. When a friend is complaining about how annoying her husband can be, don't jump in with dirty details of your guy's flaws. Instead, talk out how both you and your pal could improve your dynamics, says therapist Ian Kerner, PhD, author of She Comes First. Otherwise, you'll find yourself furthering the worst narrative about your relationship. Number 2. Keep your stats to yourself. Your best friend and her have sex once a month and are fine with it, but there is no normal frequency, and yours might be higher or lower. No shame in that. You don't have to be a prude in these convos, but the comparison game can hurt everyone involved. When in doubt, smile and nod. Number 3. Spend time around happy couples. Make a point of hanging out more with duos who have reports you wouldn't mind emulating, suggests Kerner. You know, couples who seem to actually like and respect one another and still have a spark. That way, any rubbing off effect will be a positive force for your own bond.